here we have to prove that limit n tends to infinite n power 1 by n is equals to 1. So before going to that, let us take one term to indicate this. We will take let Sn is equals to n power 1 by n, taking this one this side minus 1. Okay, we already know that Sn is greater than 0 for all n. From one theorem is there in that Sn plus Tn is equals to limit Sn plus limit Tn, which shows that limit Sn is equals to 0. So first take Sn is equals to n power 1 by n minus 1. Send this one this side, we will get Sn plus 1 is equals to n power 1 by n. We will get 1 plus Sn, this 1 by n this side, it will become n is equals to n. So by binomial expansion, by the formula of binomial expansion, we can write it as n is equals to 1 plus Sn whole power n is greater than or equals to 1 plus n Sn plus 1 by 2 n into n minus 1 Sn square. Let us take that n is greater than or equals to 2. Why we are taking greater than or equals to 2? Because if we are taking one term only, we will get only this one term, we can't able to find the solution. So that's why we are selecting the second term here. Okay, so we will write that n is greater than 1 by 2 n into n minus 1 Sn square, selecting the second term. Now what we will do, take this 2 this side, we will get 2n is greater than n into n minus 1 Sn square. Now take this n into n minus 1 this side, 2n by n into n minus 1 is greater than Sn square. This n and this n will get cancelled, we will get 2 by n minus 1 is greater than Sn square, or else we can write it as Sn square is less than 2 by n minus 1. So Sn is less than this square this side, under root of 2 minus n by 2 by n minus 1 for n is greater than or equals to 2. Now what they have given in the question, they gave that limit n power 1 by n is equals to 1. So from our previous one, limit n tends to infinite 1 by n power p is equals to 0 for p is greater than 0 we got here. Now limit of Sn is equals to 0 we know here. So therefore by the conditions we can say that limit n tends to infinite n power 1 by n is equals to 1 from the based on conditions.